Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a New Year inspired look. So I already did one eye off camera, so I'm just going to show you guys how to achieve this look. Stay tuned for the tutorial. So first I'm going to start with my uh, transition color, and for that I'm going to be sorry for that I'm going to be using this limited edition palette I got from Estee Lauder, and I'm going to be using this shade, this shade, and then a little bit of this and this black right here. So that's what I'm going to be using as my transition color. So I'm going to go ahead and do my brows quickly before we get into the eye makeup. For my brows today, I'm going to be using these three pencils. This is Brow Sculpt brow pencil, and it's by MAC Cosmetics. And I'm going to be using this coffee eye pencil, is by MAC as well. And then I'm going to be using this brow lotion pencil, is by Younger Beauty. And they both have this too, both have spoolies, so it's a good buy. Even when the pencil finishes, like, you can still use the spoolie for other things. So let me get right into doing my brows so I can be quick with that. First I'm just brushing it up. Then doing my brows, I like to start from under, just to outline the lower part. So meanwhile, if you want to watch like the tutorial on how I do my brows, you can um, go right back to my channel. I already have a video where I um, did my brow routine tutorial, so you can just go back to that and you'll see. So that is it for the brows. So I'm just going to go ahead and use concealer to clean that up. Then we can get into the eye glam makeup. So for concealing, cleaning up my brows, I like to use, I've had this for about 6 years, thereabout, and it's by Black Opal. This is the Total Coverage Concealing Foundation, and this should be like in toppers, I think. So I'm just mixing it up with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in creamy beige. I kind of don't like my um, concealer looking way too bright, so that's why I like to tone it down with a darker shade of concealer, but like more like a warmer tone. See, that was really easy. You know, just saying, for those who can't afford to buy all concealer shades, it's advisable to just work with what you have. And by the way, I'm actually recording with my phone. um I have a camera that I use, but I just thought of using my phone today just to see what the outcome is going to look like. And just an advice, if you want your eyeshadow to really pop, your transition color, whatever eyeshadow you're using, do not set, I repeat, do not set your concealer. Just go right ahead and do what you need to do with your eyeshadow on top of your concealer like that. Don't set. So, and the key to having like a flawless makeup is blending. If your blending technique is on point, like you can literally pull off any kind of makeup you want. And when I'm blending, I try to blend in circular motion, so it's not just going to sit down there like a straight line, you know. You know what I mean? By the way, you guys have been amazing. I know I'm not there yet. I still have very few views and stuff like that, but you know, for those who have taken out their time to um, watch my video, thank you so much. I really do appreciate. So now I'm using the orange one to warm it up a bit. So now I'm going back with the darker shade of purple. This is a MAC dupe brush. It's not the real MAC. And I'm going to be using that to cut my crease. And I'm using the Prolonged Wear Paint Pot in Soft Ochre to cut my crease. And just in case you have one of these and they quickly go dry on you, just try as much as you can to always either cover or keep it like this on a flat surface, so while you're using it, so it doesn't go dry. So for people who have hooded eye, if you want to get the perfect cut crease, what you need to do is after applying your cut crease color, just try to do this, like try to look up to be sure um, that you got the perfect shape and it's not going to stain the upper part of your eye. If you're using a paint pot, you can actually get away with um, something not as white as this because this goes dry easily, so it doesn't transfer. So now I'm going to go back with my dark shade of purple and black to kind of just blend this part out so it doesn't just sit there like that. See? And I kind of blend forward as well. So when you're doing this, be careful, like try to avoid your cut crease line so you don't. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow right here, this one, yeah, that one. Guys, this Estee Lauder shadow palette, I've had it for more than 8 years, I think. More than 8 years, sure. That was even before I learned how to do makeup professionally. So that's that for the eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to go in with my glitter. And for that, I'm going to be using my favorite glitz palette is by Eye Candy. And I'm going to be mixing this color and this color. They are amazing. I'm going to be using this classic glitter glue as my base, my glitter base. So for it not to sit down there and look unblended, what I like to do is whatever I have left on the brush, I just like to tap it in. Okay, the next thing I'm going to be doing is lining my eyes, and for that I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Liquid liner. This is their jet black liquid liner. For my waterline, I'm going to be going in with this Maybelline New York Master Drama Kohl liner. Before I fix my lashes, I like to just press my natural lash down a bit. I'm going to be using this YSL mascara. So this is it for my eye makeup. I'll just go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then I'll come back and we'll see what the finished look is going to look like.